what is the meaning of fuel efficiency? Pay attention. In a well-maintained 4-stroke gasoline engine is estimated to burn about 0.5 pounds of fuel per each horsepower. Look at this. In diesel, the diesel engine burns 0.4 pounds of fuel per each horsepower produced. Which one burns more fuel? Gasoline. With that information, that number, 0.5 and 0.4, is the specific fuel consumption. Pay attention. The fuel consumption of an internal combustion engine can be calculated according to the specific weight of each fuel. In order to solve that equation, you need to know that gasoline weight is 6.1 pounds per gallon, and the diesel is 7.2 pounds per gallon. Look, gallons per hour is equal to the specific fuel consumption times the horsepower and divided by the fuel weight. Okay, I have an example. We are going to analyze two engines with the same horsepower, diesel and gasoline. 300 horsepower, both of them identical, naturally aspirated. Okay, the fuel consumption in gallons per hour for gasoline is equal to the specific fuel consumption of gasoline. You remember how much is that? 0.5 times the horsepower, 300 horsepower, and divided by the weight of gasoline is 6.1. And the fuel consumption of diesel is equal to 0.4 times 300 and divided by 7.2. In that particular case, how much is that equation? 24.6, no? Gallons per hour. And what about the other engine? It's 16.65 gallons per hour. Hey, my friend, which one have higher consumption of fuel?
Yes.
For the same horsepower. Look, 300 horsepower and 300 horsepower. Both of them naturally aspirated. The consumption in the diesel is 16 gallons. In the other one, 24.